It sounds like my pistons are grinding or something.
Do that again. I think you lost a bearing. Here we are, next day, getting ready to fix Wild J's car after he smoked the bearings.
Smoke that.
He's missing the bearing and he's out joyriding.
I said at least it didn't happen out in Calatasset. That would have been bad. It kinda was, but it kinda wasn't.
What about this?
That's just what I deal with because I'm Wild J.
Alright, Miller, go lift up the front of your car.
What do you think I am, Incredible Hulk?
No, Miller, with the jack.
Oh,
with the jack.
Alright.
Miller, how do you get this off? How do you get your fourth lug nut off?
I'm supposed to take the special tool that I no longer know where it is.
This might be an issue.
They call that pulling the Wild J. See what happens?
Your tire's a little wildly there, Miller.
Just a little bit.
Hope you didn't damage your brake caliper.
Hopefully.
I'm thinking that's not good.
What gave it away? Taking brake caliper off.
I think that's actually what's holding your wheel up.
Hear that, folks? That's what's holding my wheel on.
As I loosen this, it's actually, your wheel's gonna fall off. All that was holding your wheel on was your brake caliper.
What are you gonna do? There we go. We got my brake caliper out of the way. Time to remove the wheel.
Now we gotta get Buddy out of the way.
Gotta get Buddy out of the way. Well, my splines look good still. That's a good sign. I can smell it. That, not so good.
You definitely need a seal.
Need a seal. Last trip was pretty fun. One of my engine bolts is loose. What in the world?
Come on, Miller.
See what happens when you go up north?
I'm gonna take another weenie sticker.
No more stickers.
Miller's CV off. And he actually has grease in there.
Who would have thunk it? Look at that. Who would have thunk that? Got her all wrapped up. Let's see this axle stub. What's the damage? Hopefully very minimum.
Push it back.
Look at me, I'm all sweaty. See on the bill, that's how easy it's supposed to come out. No hammers required. Another thing that needs to get fixed is Wild J's attitude. He's Mild J.
On the plus side, we don't gotta take any bearings out.
Why is that?
We don't have any.
What is that?
It's your bearing cage. What's left of it.
Hey, grease. How we do it? No. Stay.
There's parts of it wedged up in here. It's not supposed to do that, Miller.
What is that? Is that the bearing? Is that what was squealing?
It's part of what's...
Grace. You're literally knocking over my parts, Grace.
See, Miller, actually you're supposed to take this off first. In your case, we don't have to.
Saving us time. Look at that.
Here's a round ball bean. Oh, wait. That's not round anymore.
Well, it's a little flattened, but
It's oval.
it's an oval bearing.
It's shaped like a fruity pebble. Look at that.
Here we go. What's the damage, Steve? So far, full dirt.
It's all just chewed up on the edges. Didn't chew much past the bearing cage. Or the... whatever. You're missing a lot of bearings, though. Where are those guys at?
Those guys are gone.
Here's one. Nice round ball bearing for you. There's only a few flat spots left on it.
What do you got there?
Another piece to your bearing cage. So move it all. So for whatever reason, I cannot get this old inner bearing cup out.
Oh wait, I forgot there's a C-clip in there.
What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
But now we can't get the C-clip out because it's broken. Here we go.
Woo! We got it, boys!
Now
We can pound that out, reach out.
Now we gotta get it past these lips that are all curled up from Wild J losing his bearings. You know, this is the second time in less than a week that you've had sparks coming off from the same area. Miller's texting people on his phone instead of going to the auto parts for a new clip.
Well, excuse me.
Ready?
Wait a minute. What is that?
Well, there's a piece to your bearings. Now to get the rest of it out.
Oh my goodness. Where's that one piece? Boom!
See how easy that was?
Yeah, that was not easy. Wasn't
No.
easy.
See how easy that was?
I see it.
It's like Sesame Street Buggies or something.
That needs to go.
Okay, and today letter of the day is letter C.
Times. You gotta take this, only on Miller's card, you gotta take the same bearing cup out 3 different times.
What are you gonna do?
There it goes.
There it is. Didn't even have to use the hammer.
How shiny it is. Look at this pile of just busted stuff.
See, folks, this just proves that YJ is hard on things. I mash the gas and don't look to the past. All right, hoorah!
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Now what are you doing? There's more in there? Goodness.
Miller,
What?
these are supposed to be tight.
They're tight.
Yeah.
You got dirt holding them on instead.
Finally, Miller, getting your C-clip put back in.
Use my seat clamp in?
No, but it's close enough for who it's for.
Come on, man. The disrespect. I mean.
Probably shouldn't use a real hammer on it, but it is hammer time. Good enough for who it's for.
There we go. Bow. Bow, chicka, wow, wow.
Lyle J wrenching on his car.
This one's for you, Zach. See that? Wrenched. Putting the brake caliper on.
One thing you had when you ground on your brake caliper when you were losing that tire, it's all lopped out now. Gives more clearance for Wild J antics right there. Is that 250 foot-pounds?
These are 250 foot. Alright, put the dimmer away.
The back end all done?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's pick up our mess.
Where's all my lug nuts? Come on, dude. So much disrespect every time I come over.
See what this thing's gonna look like. Oh my goodness!
A front tire! I thought you fixed that. Come on, man. Now you're kidding. Oh my goodness. You got the dots all worked up.